Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we're going to talk a little bit about Cortana. Cortana has been, of course, is the assistant of Windows 10. It has been implemented into Windows 10 in 2015 in a way that a lot of people didn't like. It was totally integrated into the system. And it's changing, of course. We were talking about how in version 2004, the next version of Windows, it's going to be its own app that will be updated through the Microsoft Store, giving also the possibility to remove it, and also giving the possibility, well, actually removing all of its integration or a lot of the integration within Windows. But there's a big change coming up. Microsoft has announced that consumer devices with Cortana will actually not be supported by Windows 10. Now, what does that mean? That means if you have something like the Harman Kardon Invoke speaker, for example, it won't be working with Windows, and you'll still be able to use your Invoke or any device that uses Cortana on the consumer side on your Android phones. If you have an Android phone with Cortana integrated, that will work. That will still maintain the possibility of using that device. But with Windows 10 alone, that is moving away. Actually, what's happening is Cortana is being kind of, shuffled around. It's not eliminated, but they are changing what Cortana will actually do and what it will be. And basically, they're slowly changing Cortana to be more of, for those that remember Clippy in the old days of Office, well, kind of an assistant to help you out in your work rather than assistant like the regular assistants like Google and so on. So that means that Cortana is going to be kind of changed to more of a enterprise help and, work-related help assistant for what you actually are doing rather than a regular assistant like the other ones. It's kind of an acknowledgement, I think, on the part of Microsoft to say that they are and they have lost the battle of the assistants, and that basically in order to, if they want to keep Cortana, they got to find its place. They got to find where it will be needed. And they think that that's where all of this is going to be needed, actually. So it's really the consumer side of Cortana that is going to stop working at some point. It will become more of an enterprise and work-related assistant to help in daily tasks and making things better or easier for you when you're working on your PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.